Hi, it's Angeline here. Today I have a fun crafty video with Unity stamp, and I'm gonna show you how to do some foiling with some clear toner sheets. So first I already stamped and colored this cute mouse and bear by Glanz and Unity stamp called the Old Splendid Spring. And here I'm grabbing the Floral Sketch Clear Designer toner sheets by Decofoil and Thermoweb, and I'm just going to be running it through my mini Minc machine with some rainbow foil. And you want to place the textured side of the clear toner sheet up and also the foil pretty side up, and just run it through your Minc machine. Once it's done, carefully remove the foil and ta-da! Look how cool it is! Even the negative look awesome. So here is how it looks like on the clear sheets, and check out the foil. Next, I'm grabbing the Thermoweb XL Tape runner to adhere my clear sheets to my card. What's great about this adhesive is it is kind of see-through and you will not see the adhesive once it is adhered down. I'm just adhering the bear and the mouse as well, along with the sentiment to the card. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!